Hello everyone, I'm your maths teacher Pema Salden, and our today's lesson will be comparing and ordering numbers. Once again, comparing and ordering numbers. In order to understand today's lesson, let us discuss an activity. Well, this is a map of Bhutan, and today we will be discussing the total number of population of few of these places. As per the population census of 2005, these three Dzongkhaks, Ha, Samsi and Trongsa, the given number of people in each of these Dzongkhaks are: in Ha 11,648, in Samsi 60,100, and in Trongsa there were 13,419 people. Using the information given in the table, you have to find out which of the Dzongkhaks in the chart has the most people. Once again, which of the mentioned Dzongkhak has the highest number of population? Moreover, you also need to think what made you decide that the chosen Dzongkhak has the highest number of population. Well, I'm sure you have chosen Samsi with the highest number of people. For that, what did you do? Definitely, you might have looked into the total number of population and then compared each of the number of people. Now, in order to understand more about comparing and ordering, we will discuss some more activities using different methods. For example, let's say we have these two numbers. The first one is 32,411 and the second one you can see is 25,832. Now if we want to compare these two numbers, how we can compare here is by comparing the digits on the left. So the first digit of 32,411 is 310,000, and in 25,832 the first digit we have is 210,000. Now by comparing these 10,000 itself, we can understand which one is the greatest number, because it has 310,000 and here we have 210,000, and we know that 310,000 is greater than 210,000. So therefore what we can decide? 32,411 is greater than 25,832. If in case the two numbers that you are asked to compare is 42,356 and 42,431, how you can compare here is again you can use the same method that we have discussed earlier. But then what you can notice here is the first digits, the left digits are same in this case. Then what you can do? You can move to the right if necessary. So first digit here is 4 and here as well it is 4. So both are 410,000. So next what we can do? We can move to the right. So when we move to the right, here again we can notice that it is 2,000 and here also we have 2,000. Now again move to the right, and when you move to the right, here we have 300 and here we have 400. So what do you notice? We can say that 300 is less than 400 or 400 is more than 300. So therefore what we need to do? We have to compare the number here, and when we compare it, we can identify 42,356 is less than 42,431. Therefore, we should not forget to put the sign. And this sign tells us that 42,356 is less than 42,431, or you can read it as 42,431 is greater than 42,356. Well, now the next example is comparing the three numbers. The three numbers that are mentioned here are the first one 25,489, 15,130 and 29,411. Now, in order to compare these three numbers, what we need to do is, firstly, we need to find which number is between the other two. So, a number is between two numbers if it is greater than one of the number and less than the other number. Therefore, you can notice that 25,489 is more than 15,130 and it is less than 29,411. Therefore, what you can decide is 25,489 is in between 15,130 and 29,411. Now, if we put the sign, 15,000 is less than 25,489 and 25,489 is less than 29,411. So, this is how you can compare the three numbers. Now, the time for homework. So question number 1, you have to order from least to the greatest. You can see there are two questions given. So you have to order them from least to greatest. Question number 2, we have list three numbers that are between 15,239 and 16,100. So here you have the freedom of choosing any number, but remember that the number has to be in between these given two numbers. And the last question today is question number 3, where you have to arrange the digits below to make a number for each. So you can see the set of given numbers there. You have to use only those given numbers to write the number for question number A, that is greater than 50,000, B less than 10,800, and for C between 12,000 and 16,000. Remember again, only to use the number given in the boxes. You cannot write any other number than given in the boxes. So that's all for today. Enjoy your day and please be safe. Bye-bye.